Okay, so let me share my screen now. Okay, is it visible, guys? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we discussed about these things now. Already we discussed about these many things. Okay, we were discussing about the formatting tag. Okay, so let's complete the formatting tag. So formatting tags are nothing but which is used to highlight the content of on our web page. Okay, so for example, if you want to, okay, suppose for example, if you want to write something, okay, suppose if you want to write something like h2, so how you will write? Okay, so you can write with the help of formatting tag. Okay, you can use formatting tag, and if you have to write like x square, so how you will write this x square? So with the help of formatting tag. Okay, so there are different formatting tags we have. Okay, first we have like bold tag. Okay, so in order to bold, you can use two ways. You can you can make your content bold with the help of two tags. One is b tag. Okay, you can use b tag, and whatever your content is there, you can write. Okay, second is you can write strong. Okay, you can write strong, and whatever content is there, you can write. Can anyone tell me what's the difference between this strong and b tag? B is nothing but bold. Okay, and strong is also for bold. Okay, this is also for bold. But what is the difference between both tag? I will tell you like how it will look like, but right now I'm just explaining you the concept. Okay, so this is, if you are bolding, if you are making your text bold with the help of b tag, means this is what normal text. Your browser will consider this tag as a normal text. But when you are using strong tag in order to make your content bold using the strong tag, so your browser will give the importance to your content. Okay, so we can say this content will be the SEO friendly. Okay, so SEO will try to give you the important of your content. Okay, so this emphasize the text, and this is just normal bold. Okay, and second is what? Second is we have italic text. So how we can make our text italic? So we have two ways. One is I tag we can use. Okay, open tag and close tag. And the second is we can use, okay, we can use em tag. Okay, em tag, which is emphasize. Emphasize means unimportant tag, unimportant content you can write here. Unimportant. Okay, and important text, if you want to italic the important text, so you will use this. Okay, em tag. Okay, italic means okay, should I show you simultaneously so that you can understand? Otherwise you will think like this is just a theory lecture. So it is not like that. Okay, so we have this folder frontend. In the frontend we have HTML folder, and this is what our day 3 or day 4 with frontend. Is it day 3 or day 4? I guess it will be day 4. Okay, so let me open this in CMD.
I think day 5, sir.
Uh, Day 5, like fourth day, I guess we have taken masterclass on Git. Na? Okay, let it go. So here I have to create index.html. Because I have created here index.html. And after that, what we will write? We will write here first of all doc type. Okay, doc type, and the second tag is what? HTML. Okay, and here you can write. Okay, and inside the HTML tag we have which tag? Head tag. Okay, head tag, and inside the head tag we have title tag, right? So title is what? Formatting text. Okay, and after that I'm not giving the meta information of our web page. I'm just writing the content. Okay, so if you want to bold the text, okay, okay, so in order to bold the text you have two ways. Either you can use b tag. This is which tag? This is not important. Okay, or we can say this is just a bold text, just a bold text. Okay, and here I am writing br is for break the line. Okay, it will break the line. Okay, and here I am writing another way to bold the text. This is important text. Okay, so but both will be the bold. Okay, both will come in which format? Bold format. Okay, let me just open it with live server. Okay, so both text are bold. Okay, but browser will give importance to which tag? The first one or second one? Which one work in SEO purpose?
Second.
The second one, which is written in strong tag. Okay, and after that the second one is we have italic tag. Okay, italic text. Okay, so how to make italic text? Let me just write here br break line. Okay, so italic, this is just an italic text. Okay, and br for break the line, and another way is em. Okay, this is an important text. Okay, so both will be similar, but one will help in SEO and another just is for representation. Okay, just for representation purpose, as you can see here. Okay, this is italic and this is also an italic text. Okay, and one more we have another tag which is known as strike through. Okay, strike through. Suppose okay, for example our course price is 10,000. Okay, but 10,000, okay, it is in rupee, 10,000 rupees. Okay, suppose I have given you offer, and the course price now is, after applying offer, the course price is 7,000. Okay, 7,000. So I want to keep this 10,000 text to the users, so that they can say, like, previously this course was 10,000 but now the price is 7,000. So what you will do, you will strike through to this text. Okay, you will strike through this text. So how you will delete this text? So deleting text is nothing but strike through. Okay, so we can delete it with two ways. One is what? You can write here strike through. Okay, what you will write? Strike through. Okay, no, strike through means this cross line, but our tag name is not strike through, but we have as tag. Okay, as well as we have another tag we have which is del. Del means delete. Okay, both are used to cross the line, okay, on the content. Okay, both are used to cross the line on the content. Okay, but which will SEO friendly? So this tag, this delete tag will tell to the browser like this content has been removed from our web page. But this hashtag will tell this is just for styling purpose. This line, for example, I'm writing here 7,000 and line using this tag hashtag, it will say it is just a style, normal style. But if you are writing something like this using delete tag, so it will say this tag, I mean this content has been removed. So browser will consider this content as deleted, right? So there is no difference, just the SEO purpose we have difference. The third one is what? Strike, strike through. Okay, text. So for example, I'm writing here S. Okay, so S, before S, let me write here 10,000. Okay, and now I'm writing what? Suppose 8,000. Okay, how I will get the rupee symbol? So when you press Control Shift and dollar, you will get the rupee symbol. Control Shift and dollar, you will get the rupee symbol. Okay, you will get the rupee symbol. So if you will check here, let me show you side by side. Okay, is it visible now? So it is showing, it is giving this line. Okay, but this text is coming after this line. So here I need to write what? BR tag. BR tag means break the line. So now our text is coming here. Okay, now the price is what? 8,000 it is showing. So after that I will write like we can do the same thing with DL tag. Okay, delete tag. Here we can write simply DEL, delete tag. Okay, if you want to practice, you can practice simultaneously. Okay, but here we have written this content in two line, but it is coming in same line. Okay, and this two lines content coming in same line because this is what? Inline element. I will tell you about what are the inline element. But if you want to keep each tag in one line, single line, so you need to put break between. Okay, so it will come something like this. Okay, after that, suppose I want to write what? Suppose I have to write here x square. Okay, x square. So how I will print x square? So in order to write x square, first let me just write here br or break the line. Now if I will write here x2, so it is not a square, it is not looking like a square. So if you want to make it as a square, so what you will do, you will write here sub, I mean super tag, sub, sorry, sup. Okay, and between the super tag you will write here 2. So it will become like power of x. Okay, so it is coming as a power of x, right? Suppose if you want to write h2, so how you will write? First let me write br tag. Suppose if you want to write h2, so you will write h. Okay, and if you will write 2 and o, so it is not coming like a h2o formula. So what you need to do, you have to write something like this, h subscript, and here you will write 2 and o. Okay, so it will come as a subscript. So let me delete this. Yes, getting this? Okay, so what we call it? So the fourth one is superscript text. Okay, and if you want to write the comment, you need to press Ctrl and forward slash. Automatically it will allow you to write the comment. Okay, subscript text. Okay, so this is what subscript tag. Now we have another tag, okay, which is monospace. Okay, monospace text. And how to write monospace text? So in order to write monospace tag, you will write tt. Okay, if you will write tt, and here you can write this is it coming? Okay, so it is coming something like this. You can see the difference. Okay, let me just write here br tag for break the line. Okay, so this is coming something different. So this type of text is known as monospace tag. Okay, so such tag is not text is known as monospace. Okay, some like a little more spacing is coming. Okay, so this is monospacing text. Okay, so for example, if you want to write some code, I'm writing something like print f. Okay, like hello, or simply I'm writing print hello world. Okay, so your browser will treat it as a normal text. Okay, your browser will treat this as a normal text, but you want to tell to your browser, don't treat me this as a normal text, treat it as a code, as a programming language statement. So you will write here code. Okay, but you will not see any difference. The thing is, it will help browser to understand the content. Okay, so if you are using this code tag, so what will happen? Your browser will understand it clearly, right? Okay, so just give me a minute. Let me connect my laptop with charging. Okay, understood, guys? Are you guys understanding this much?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move forward and let's discuss about another tag. Okay, we already discussed about image tag, na? We have already discussed about image tag or not? Tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Discussed, sir.
Okay, so we have discussed about image tag.
But, sir, can you repeat again?
Okay, so I'll repeat again, no problem. So let me repeat some tag. Okay, for example, we have already discussed about heading tag. Okay, we have discussed about paragraph tag. We have discussed about anchor tag. We have discussed about what is the tag? Image tag. Okay, so we inside the h tag we have seen one attribute which is align. We have discussed about one attribute which is align, and the value we can give center. We have given the value as center. And in p tag we didn't seen any attribute, we just simply write p tag. But in a tag we have discussed about href. Okay, href means here we can mention the url of a page or a website. Okay, and inside the href we have discussed one more thing, which is target. Okay, so by default the target value is underscore self. If you will not write target attribute, by default the value will be self. Or what you can do, if you want to open the website after clicking on text, so you need to write something like target is equals to underscore blank, right? Yes. And in image we have seen attributes like src. Src means image address. What we mentioned, image address. Okay, we mentioned image address in src. And one more we have alt. Okay, alt means alternative text. Okay, uh, okay, suppose your server is not responding, or your server is busy, or image not found. So at that time this alternative text will come. Otherwise if image is coming, then this alternative text will not come. Okay, and one more attribute is what, title. You can mention title. So when someone hover on this image, so it will display the text. Okay, like hd image. Like whenever someone hover on the image by cursor, so it will display this hd image. Okay, so let's try to create something by using all these tags. So what I will do, basically let's create one document. Okay, and here what we will do, here we will create what should we create. Okay, here first we will write one heading. Here we have to write one heading, right? And after that we will keep one image. After that we will write some para. Okay, and after that we will create one link. Okay, that's all. These are the things we can achieve with this tag. Okay, and we discussed about one more tag, which is hr tag. Hr is for horizontal line. Okay, do you have idea about this or not? Let's do a quick demo on it. Okay, so here is what my html file. Okay, so let me create here one. Okay, demo1.txt. Txt or html? html. Okay, so this is what, html. Okay, let me open this page side by side. Okay, so I need to start server. Okay, I need to start server once again. So if I want to write the html code, what I need boiler template. Okay, so if you are not writing boiler template, you can just simply write doc type. Okay, after doc tag what we need, html tag. And inside the html tag, what tag we have, head tag. And inside the head tag we have title tag. Okay, uh, mini project kind of we are creating. Just give me idea guys, what should we design. Like yes, like in last lecture we designed one college website where we listed all the, I think, colleges in Hyderabad. Tell me any idea, if anyone have any idea to create some website. So here first of all, let me write one heading to check whether it's working or not. Hello, simply world. Okay, hello world I'm writing. Okay, so I need to open, I need to start the go live server. Okay, so go live server started. Okay, so let me open this page here like this. Okay, so okay, so if I will do change here, So it will also change.
We can make shopping websites, sir.
Okay, shopping website. Okay, so mini project, and here we will mention the website name is what? Uh, okay, uh, tell me the name of the website. Shopping. Okay, FSD shopping 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 store. Okay, so this is what heading, and I want to create one horizontal line. So I will write here HR line came. I want to keep this text in middle. So here I will write attribute. Can anyone tell me the name of the attribute? How can I keep this text in center of, of this line? What is the name? Align. Okay,
Line.
yes, here I will write center. So it is going in center. I think spelling is wrong. Okay, so now it is in center. Now what we have to do, I will create one heading. A heading is for what? Whatever product you want to display, you need to write heading. Okay, so first I am writing here like iPhone, which one, 15 or 16 Pro? 16 Pro Max. Okay, so our first product is iPhone 16 Pro Max. 16 Pro Max is available or not? Okay, let me open some Flipkart. Okay, so we will take the product from the Flipkart. Let me search here iPhone. Okay, so let's just wait. Okay, so iPhone 16e is there. iPhone 13 midnight. Okay, so okay, 16 pink is there. Okay, let me write this. We will use this image. Okay, so right click. Okay, so this image is not coming. So how to use this image? Any idea? Can anyone give me any idea how to use this image on our website?
By copying the address.
No, this is not allowing us to give take address.
We can take a screenshot.
Yes, this is the trick. Okay, so everyone, if you will search in your computer, there is a snipping tool. So just go to the snipping tool and click on new. Okay, and just crop this image. So this is what? This is an alternative way. Okay, so image came. Now just save this image. How to save this image? Control S or just click here. And where to save? Just go to the desktop, front end, HTML, day 4. Okay, let me create here one image folder. So all the images we will keep in a folder. And let me write the folder name is what? Images. Okay, and inside the images folder, I will write my image name is iPhone. iPhone. Okay,
Or
so
we can download from Chrome.
okay, we can download from Chrome as well, but we have already image here, so we don't need to do that. Okay, so if you will go here and if you will check, so we have images folder, and inside the images folder we have this iPhone image. So I want to display my iPhone image here. Okay, after this text, just right after the text. So what I will do, I will use which tag I need to use, which tag we can use. Tell me guys.
IMG.
IMG tag. Okay, and inside the IMG tags, okay, suppose I am writing a wrong address, so this alternative text will display. Okay, server not responding. Okay, so see, I haven't given any address of the image, so here what it is showing, server is not responding. Okay, so it is showing this. Okay, so when I will give the correct path of the image, so it will not show this. Okay, so where is my image? Okay, so my image is there inside the images folder. Okay, so here demo1.html, at the same place we have images folder. So current location means dot means current location, and forward slash, so it will display all the files which are on current location. So on current location we have demo1.html, we have images folder, and we have index.html. so where we have to go to get the image? Inside the
Images folder.
images folder. So make sure you are writing correct spelling. Okay, and then again forward slash, and it will display the image, whatever image is there, it will display the name. So here I will write iphone.png. Okay, so iphone image is coming. Is it coming? Yes. Okay, so as we have discussed, in image tag we have attributes called, in image we have src, alt, and we have title as well, and we have one more attribute which is height and width. Okay, we have width attribute and we have height attribute. Okay, so we can use width and height attribute in order to control the height of the image. Okay, so as I told you, we have one more attribute which is title. So see, if I'm moving my cursor on this image, I'm hovering my cursor on this image, so it is not displaying any text. So let me write here title. So when you write the title, so I'm writing here iPhone. Okay, for rich people. Okay, like this I'm writing. So when I will move my cursor, so it, are you showing? Are you able to see what it is showing?
Yes, sir.
It is displaying iPhone for rich people. So this is coming just because of title. Okay, suppose if you want to, otherwise with these things we can control with the help of CSS, but right now we are not discussing about CSS, so we have to do it with HTML only. So here see, if your line is going outside the window, if your line going outside the window, so you need to scroll like this horizontally. But you don't want to scroll, you want like your line should come in the next line. So if you will press the enter, okay, so that is not the good thing. If you will press the enter, that is not the good thing. What you need to do, press Alt and Z. If you are in VS Code, press Alt and Z. So it will wrap your content in the next line. And here what you can mention width. Okay, width is like 200. Okay, this is what in pixel. And if you want to mention height, otherwise you don't need to mention, it's already coming properly. So you can mention height as well, like 300. It's looking weird, so 200 is enough. 200 is not enough. 280. Okay, 250. Okay, so it is looking nice. Okay, and here I will write one paragraph. Okay, and in paragraph what I can mention? I can mention this is my iPhone on 2 years of EMI. Okay, so we can mention any paragraph, and here you can write, you can create one buy link. Okay, so how to create buy link? You will use anchor tag. Okay, and in anchor tag you will write or some text like buy now. Okay, so text is coming buy now. So if you will click on buy now, it will not redirect you anywhere. Okay, so what I will do, I will write the address. So what address should I write? I will write the Flipkart website address. Okay, this is what Flipkart website. Okay, so someone click on our web page. For example, someone came to our web page. So when anyone will click on this, so it will redirect, he or she will redirect to the Flipkart website. Okay, so what I will do, this address, whatever address is coming in URL, I will just right click and copy the address. After copying the address, just go back to your href. Okay, and in href just right click and paste. Okay, so don't get worry after seeing this long text. Okay, so you just ignore this long text, and here you can see when someone click on buy, so it will redirect to the Flipkart page. But where is our page? Our page is overriding. So what we can do in order to skip from the overriding, we can write here one attribute. Okay, so let me write here. We can write one attribute which is target. Okay, and target underscore blank. So when you write the target underscore blank, so it will redirect you to the new tab. Okay, so it is coming like this. Okay, so are you understanding, guys? This in the same way we can create more product. We can keep more product. Okay, so your task is, okay, you have to mention other fonts. Okay, FSD shopping store. Okay, so like that you have to create the store. Okay, the basic store only. You have to write heading tag. You have to keep one image with paragraph and buy now link. Okay, will you do this? No, only like who's shown me. Lata only shown me the task previously, but many of the students are not doing. They are just watching. So don't watch. You have to do it as well. Okay, let's go to another tag, which is table tag. Okay,
We did, sir.
you did. Are you doing
Yes.
simultaneously?
Not this previous one.
Okay, previous one, but you have
Yes, sir.
to, you at least you need to send the screenshot in group for the motivation. Okay, it will be motivation for me and others as well. Like we can understand like students are doing actively this thing, so we need to put more energy to teach like that. Okay, so whatever you do, whatever you create, just paste in the group, just send in the group. Okay, anyone. So HTML is not about learning, it is all about innovation. When you are learning front end, so with the help of this simple text like h1 tag or paragraph tag or image tag, you can create the wonders, you can create the creations. Okay, so think some crazy ideas and try to implement that. Okay, so that is how you may implement a very good idea. Okay, so now let's understand about the table tag. Okay, so how table tag work? Why we need table tag? So whenever you want to keep the information in a tabular form, so we use what? Table tag. Okay, for example, here I have a table, right? And here I have to display data in tabular form. Like what? Here I have to display employee ID, here I have to display employee name, and here I have to display employee salary. Okay, so this part is known as table. This part is known as table. Let me write here. This is known as table tag. Okay, and this row is known as tr, table row. Tr means table row. Okay, and this column you are writing, whatever content you are writing in these columns, these are known as th, table heading. Okay, and for example, here you are writing employee id is 1, name is what? Nobita, salary is 2000. Okay, so this is what? This is nothing but td. Td is nothing but simply table data. Okay, getting? So whenever you will create a table, so you will write table tag. Okay, And inside the table we have one attribute called border. Okay, and here you can mention border size like 1 or 2. Otherwise we will do this table formatting with CSS also, but you should understand this is what table tag. Okay, this is what table tag and this is what attribute and this is what value, right? So I was telling you, like, first of all what we need to do, we need to write table tag and we will write here border. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why it is asking refreshing? Just wait. Okay, so let me show you here. Okay, just after here table tag. Okay, so in table tag what we have to study, we have to study about table. Okay, we have to discuss about tr, we have to discuss about th means table heading, tr means table row. Okay, then td means table data. Okay, so these many tags are responsible to create table. Okay, so here I have to write here table. Okay, and here in table I will write border 1. Okay, and here what I need to do, I will write tr. Okay, and after tr I will write here td, sorry th, because I am creating table heading. Okay, so I am creating table heading, so here I will write like emp id. Okay, so it is coming like this. Let me just write br tag so that some line break will come. Okay, or should I start with new? Okay, let me start with new page. Okay, I'm creating here one more page which is table.txt. Oh, sorry, not txt, html. Okay, so here I will write first of all doc type html. Okay, otherwise we can write here simply html color 5. Okay, so this is coming boiler template, and here in body I will write table. Okay, but it is showing the previous page content, so I need to restart my live server. Okay, so live server is started. Let me just close it, close it, close it. Okay, so before writing the table tag, let me check it's working or not. Hello. Okay, so this page is responding. So inside the table tag I will give, first I will give border is 1, and here I will write the content means th. First of all I need to write tr, table row, right? And inside the table row I will write th, table heading. Okay, and inside the table heading I will write emp id. So employee id is coming. The second column, second heading of this table would be name. Okay, emp underscore name. Okay, and the next one is th emp underscore salary. Okay, so this is how I have completed one row. So if you want to change the row, so again, okay, see this row, this row is containing how many columns? 3 columns. Okay, so this row containing 3 columns, as you can see here, this is containing 3 columns. Okay, so I need to write the values of each column. I need to write value of each column, so I'll create another row tr. okay, tr, and I have to write heading or data. I have to write table data, so I will use td. Okay, td is for table data. So first of all, it will ask data for this heading, employee id like 101. Okay, and the next is what, td, and the employee name is, like for example, I'm writing my name. Okay, and employee salary, td is salary is what, like 3k or 3000. Okay, if you want the rupee symbol, so you can press control shift and dollar, so this rupee symbol will come. Okay, so this row is completed. If you want to keep, so see, whenever you are creating table, it's better, if it's good practice if you will write the comment. So whenever someone review your code, he might be easily understand your code. Okay, he or she would be easily understand your code if you will mention the comments. So here you can write table heading. So this area is what, table heading, right? And this area is what, this area is known as row 1. Okay, this is what, your row 1, and you have to create another row 2. Okay, and inside the row 2, otherwise you can mention here table heading and row 1, because this is also row na. So here you can mention 1, and this is what, row 2. Okay, and here you can mention row 3, right? And here you can write tr table row, and here you can write one more data, which is like td and 102. Okay, and td, here you have to write Shizuka. I hope I'm writing correct name. And after that you can write another, okay, another data which is like 60,000 rupees, and control shift dollar, so it will get this data. Okay, so this is how we are getting table. If you want to improve the thickness, so you can write 2 or 3 or 4, okay, in order to increase the thickness. Okay, so this is how you can create more rows in this table. Getting, are you understanding how to create the table? So whenever you are creating the table, just mention one
Yes, sir.
heading as well. Okay, heading is what, employee data. Okay, if you want to keep this in center, otherwise we will do it's we will apply css on it to make it center, but I'm giving you alternative way as well. And hr is for horizontal line, right? So this is what we can do. Okay, so let me tell you one more thing. Okay, so let's discuss about meta tags. Okay, we haven't discussed yet about meta tag properly, so let's understand importance of the meta tags. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so anyone have any idea what is meta, what is meta tag? What is meta tag, guys? What is meta? So meta is nothing but data about the data. Data about data. Meta tag is nothing but data about the data. Meta means data about data, or we can say help in SEO. Okay, it helps in SEO, means in search engine optimization. Okay, like you have created a website, so it is like a shopping website. Okay, it is like education website. Okay, or it is like entertainment website or movie website. So what type of website, like what type of content your website have? Okay, so this described by the meta tag. Okay, so when we write meta tag, so we have different meta tag. Okay, so for example, if we talk about HTML meta tag, so we have different meta tag. One is for description. Okay, so you can give here your website description. Okay, here in this meta tag you can explain the description of your website. Okay, you can describe your website. Why we are using this meta tag? Suppose when you are searching FSD, full stack development. Okay, so when you are searching full stack development on internet, on Google, so you are getting some websites, website 1, website 2, okay, and website 3, okay, and website 4. Okay, so you are getting these many websites. So on which website, and you have some or more websites like 3, 4, 5, and next button is there. Okay, so these many websites we have. So how many pages we have? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like these pages we have. On the first number, on first rank we have this FSD website, FSD Ternary Geeks website. Okay, Ternary Geeks website. So when user will search FSD, so first Ternary Geeks website will come. Okay, means your Ternary Geeks website will display on top. So user will click on first website. User will not click the second or third or fourth or sixth or seventh link. Okay, so if you want to gather the traffic on your website, if you want more users on your website, so what you need to do search engine optimization, SEO. So in SEO, what you need to do, you have to write meta tag properly. So one meta tag we used to write for description. Second meta tag we used to write for the keywords. Okay, keywords like I can mention like Python, I can mention like Microsoft SDE, like that. Keywords, trending keywords I can mention in my website. And another keyword is like I can mention author, who is the author of this website. Okay, if you are creating your website by yourself, or if you're creating this website for your company, so like that you can mention the author. And we need to mention one more thing, which is viewport. Okay, viewport means like when you are creating your website, so whenever your website will open in desktop, so it should display properly, and when at the same time it is displaying on phone, so your website should display properly. So this view meta tag we write for that reason. Okay, so these are the meta tag. And one more meta tag we write for like refresh. If you want like your website should refresh after some seconds. Okay, after some second, so we have another like meta tag which is for refresh. Okay, so let me tell you with code like how to write this meta tag. Okay, one more thing we write here, which is character set. Okay, this is the very first, which is character set. So here generally we write UTF-8 we write. So why we use this UTF? Because it supports multiple languages. It support multiple languages. Okay, it support multiple languages character. Suppose it can support like Hindi language. Okay, it can support some Chinese language. I hope I'm writing correct Chinese language. And it support English. It support different types of symbols. Okay, so means we have huge character set if we are using this UTF-5. UTF-5. Okay, when we use ASCII characters, when we use ASCII character, so we have limited character option. But when you use UTF, means you have huge collection. For example, this is what? This is your UTF. UTF-8. Okay, and this is your ASCII. Maybe I'm writing wrong spelling. Okay, so this is what UTF. So whatever character set is there in ASCII, it will be there in UTF by default. So if you want like all type of content your web page should support, so you should write, you should create your web page under UTF-8 character set. Okay, so let's break down it. Let's do it one by one. Okay, so meta.html. Okay, so what is the tag? What is the first tag we required? What is the first tag name? We write doc type. Okay, anyone please tell me doc type HTML. And the second
Okay.
one, what's the second one? Second one
HTML.
is HTML. We write what? HTML. Okay, HTML open and HTML close. And after that, what we have? Another
Head.
text, which is
Head.
head. Okay, and inside the head we write meta. Okay, we write meta tag. Okay, inside the meta tag, what we will write, we will define the character set. Okay, so like your web page will support ASCII character, you can mention here ASCII. Otherwise you can mention UTF. Okay, means all type of character set and multiple languages it can support. Okay, second, what I said to you, we can mention what? Description. Okay, description about our website. So I'm writing here meta. Okay, and here I can create description. So if you want to create description, you need to write the name, and here you will write description. Okay, and means this meta tag name is description. So browser will understand this meta tag name is description. So here the content will be description. The content will describe this website. Okay, this is my shopping website for poor people. Okay, like that. Whatever you want to mention, you can mention. Okay. Okay, so this is one meta tag. So here we are describing our website. Okay, metadata means we are giving information about the data. Okay, and another meta tag we can add. What is another meta tag? We can write another meta tag which is keyword. Okay, means your website should rank on top. So what you need to mention? Keywords. Whenever user is searching something, any keywords are searching by the user which is connecting which is connecting with your content. So your website should come first. Okay, so here keywords, what is the content for the keywords? You can mention keywords like iPhone. When someone is searching iPhone, so your website should rank. Okay, your website should display. And the second one is what? Like Samsung. When someone searching Samsung, okay, like lava. Okay, and Nokia, like that. Okay, so these keywords you can mention. And another meta tag you can mention, which is, but see, if you are creating websites for normally, so you don't need to describe this by yourself. Okay, you can leave this part. But if you are creating a website for industry level website you are creating, so you should take care of this meta tags. Okay, then after that you will write author. So who is the author who has created this website? So you need to write the name. So what you will write? For example, I'm writing here my name, and after that another meta you can write, another meta tag you can write, which is like name. What is the name? Viewport. Like if you want to make your website responsive means it should display properly on each size devices. You have to create one viewport meta tag. Okay, so each meta tag having its name and its content. As you can see, each meta tag having its name and its content. Okay, author name, if this meta tag name is author, so here content is author name. So if they are like meta tag name is viewport, here you will write the content. Okay, what should be the content? Here content is like, here content will be like, here you need to write width. Okay, width is what? Device. Okay, this is what predefined information I am writing. Device width. Okay, and after that you will write comma initial scale, which is 1.0. Okay, so if you will mention like this, so your website will properly visible in other devices as well. Otherwise we will write media query for this in order to handle the, what we can say, in order to handle the responsiveness of the website. Okay, so this is what metadata of your website, data about the data. Okay, and inside the body tag we create the content or components which are visible on the browser. So here I am writing h1 heading, like this is all about, this is all about meta text. Okay, and here I'm adding one image. Okay, let me add iPhone image, the same image I'm adding to show you one more thing. See, so here one more meta tag is there. One more meta tag is for refresh. Means you want your page will automatically refresh. Okay, suppose let me just open the server on this page. Okay, so this is our page is coming, and why this me is coming? Okay, I have written here me. Okay, so what I want, every like every few seconds our page should be refreshed. Okay, so what I will do, I will write another meta tag. Okay, what is the meta tag? Meta, and here you will write the http equip. Okay, http equip, and here you will write refresh. Okay, here you will not write the name, here you will write the predefined attribute. Okay, and you will write refresh, and in content you will write time, like after 3 seconds, after each 3 seconds our page should refresh. So see, if you will notice here, it is refreshing after 3 seconds. Okay, if you will notice here, your page is refreshing after each 3 seconds. Okay, so I'm not clicking here, it is refreshing. Okay, so if I write here 1, so after 1 second your content will reload. After 1 second your content will reload. Okay, so suppose your content is changing, or if you want to like whatever, like if you want to do such operation where you need to refresh your page again and again or after some seconds, so you can mention this meta information. Okay, so your browser will understand we have to refresh this page after 1 second or after like 30 seconds. Okay, so for example, when you are doing payment or something, so it tells you to do not refresh the page. But if you are creating such a website where you want intentionally to refresh the page after 30 seconds or 10 seconds, you can mention, so after each 30 seconds it will refresh, right? Getting about the meta tag. Okay, so what we have discussed today, okay, what are the tags we have discussed today? Do you remember anyone? Let me see how many of you are there. Okay, some people left the meeting, no issue. Okay, so we discussed about bold tag. We discussed about what is the alternative of bold? Strong.
Strong.
We have discussed about I tag. and we have discussed about em.
Yeah.
Okay, we discussed about sub. Okay, and we discussed about super,
So,
and we discussed about tt, monospace, and we discussed about code. Correct or not? Anything else in formatting tech? So these are enough sufficient to know. And after that we have discussed about h1, we discussed about image, we discussed about paragraph, we discussed about anchor tag, we discussed about hr, and br is for break the line. Okay, break the line. Okay, br tag. And we discussed about table tag. Okay, inside the table tag we have border, and we can mention like border 1. Okay, so it will create some kind of table. And if you want to create a row, so what you will write, tr. Okay, tr open and tr close. So one row will create like this. Okay, and if you want to create a table heading, so you will write th and like id. So this id column will create, right? And if you want to write th, and if you want to write name, okay, so name heading will create. Okay, and if you want to create another row where you want to fill the data, so you will write tr. Okay, and inside the tr you will write td, and you will write the data for this id, so 101, and this td close. Okay, so 101 and this td close, and td like whatever you are writing, like this content will come. Hope you are understanding. In table tag basically we discussed about attribute like tr for table row. We discussed about th for table heading. We discussed about border. Okay, border is for applying the border in table. We discussed about td, right? So this much we have discussed in table. Okay, so is it enough for today? Okay, and tomorrow we will discuss about list. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about list tag. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about list tag as well as we will discuss about form tag. Okay, so these two tags are really important. These two concepts are really important. One is list and second is what, form. So tomorrow we will discuss. Please don't miss tomorrow's class. It will be important class for you guys. All right, can we stop the class, guys? Or you already left the meeting? All right, guys. Good night. I think you guys are on sleeping mode. So no issue. Okay. So good night. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss about more tags in HTML. Bye, all of you.